Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to delete your album in OneDrive. Now let us begin. As you can see, I have already downloaded and installed the application in my mobile device. In case you have not, do it right now and simply log into your account. If you don't know how to, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to delete the albums. In order to view the albums, what you guys have to do is simply scroll right over to Photos. At almost the bottom right corner of the screen, right next to Shared, you will see a button like this that is called as Photos. Click on it right now. Once you click on it, something like this will open up. Do note that there are three options available, namely Gallery, Albums and Explore. Right now, we do want to view our albums, so I'm simply gonna click on this Albums button right here. Once you click on it, something like this will open up. As you can see, currently I have two albums, namely Favorites and this new album. Right now I want to delete this new album right here, so I'm simply gonna click on it. Once you're in the new album, you will see a few buttons at the top right. As you can see, there are a few, but right now what we're gonna focus on are these three dots, namely called as More. Click on it right now. Now these things will pop up. Denote that you can share, add photos, select items, rename your album, and simply delete it. Right now, we do want to delete our album, so I'm going to click on this button right here that says Delete Album. Click on it right now. It might ask for your confirmation. Simply hit on Delete. And guys, that's it. That's how you delete your album in OneDrive. It is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.